Hello! Maayong hapon sa tanan. Maayong hapon. I will be putting on makeup, guys. Magpa-practice ako. Today is my last filming day. Like, you know, sit-down video filming day. Kasi alis kami bukas. We will stay sa Melbourne for 2 nights. And pagbalik namin dito, Monday na ng gabi. Tuesday, wala na. Wala na akong time na film ng sit-down video. Well, maybe meron. We'll see. Hindi pa natin alam. Baka naman, 'di ba, pagdating ko galing work, parang I wanna film, you know? So, we'll see. Yung i-film ko today is yung Q&A. Tagal ko na din hindi naka-film ng Q&A. May hinihintay ako na package, guys, na i-haul ko sana. Sana dumating yung today. Kung darating yung today, perfect talaga yung timing niya. Minix ko yung foundation ko na Etude House. Kaka-review ko lang nitong foundation na to. Bakit ayaw mag-focus doon? Double lasting foundation. Tapos pinix ko siya sa aking Milani foundation. Nag-ano ako nag-experiment ako ng mga mix-mix. I don't think up na yung review. I'm pretty sure mauuna tong vlog na to sa review na to. So, hindi ko muna sasabihin yung thoughts ko about it. Ganyan. Mas maganda yung lighting kapag dyan. Pupunta kami sa bahay ng mama ni Dan tonight. Dinner dun sa bahay niya. And kami lang yung pupunta. Well, pupunta yung mga bata. Susunduin ng mama niya yung mga bata. Pero kami lang yung mga adults doon. Yung mama niya, yung stepdad niya, tapos kami dalawa ni Dan. Kasi yung kambal ni Dan, merong ganap tonight, so hindi siya makakapunta sa dinner. Oh, I like that. Concealer. Born This Way concealer from Too Faced. I-bake ko yung aking mukha earns. Gusto ko bilhin yung Tarte na Shape Tape. My gosh, I've heard a lot of good things. Sa lahat ng napanood ko, wala talagang nagsabi na hindi nila gusto yun. Lahat talaga ng gumamit na napanood ko, gusto yung sharp. Yung Shape Tape ng Tarte. I can't wait. Gusto ko din maghanap ng lipstick na maganda para sa wedding, na long-lasting, na hindi nagta-transfer. So, liquid lipstick na bet ko yung shade. Sana mahanap ko siya doon. Guys, gustong-gusto ko yung mukha ko ngayon. May ganun. Nagustuhan yung sariling mukha. Okay, tapusin ko lang yung makeup ko kasi mag-eyeshadow ako, magpa-practice ako. So, yes. Look at me now. Ito yung makeup na ginawa ko kanina. Bakit parang hindi naman siya ganun. Ito yung makeup na ginawa ko kanina. I like it. Yung lipstick ko din, gustong-gusto ko siya. So, I think I found the lipstick, guys. Ito na yung gusto ko. Yung makeup, wait. Right? Hindi na siya ganun kasama, diba? Ang simple-simple lang, o, tingnan nyo. Pero meron akong lashes. I think I'll wear this makeup. I don't know. Ano kami? Natural lighting kami, for sure. Oh, see? Okay naman, diba, guys? Okay, I keep looking at the screen. I will wear this makeup throughout the day and see kung ano magiging ganap niya. I like the lip color. Ito na yung lip color na gusto ko. Yes! Okay, mag-film ako ng Q&A. Tingnan nyo ang kaguluhan. Ito yung gamit ko sa lashes ko. Ardell na Baby Demi. Gusto ko sana yung Demi nila, kaya lang wala na sila ng Demi. Baby Demi na lang. Okay lang naman yung Baby Demi kasi maliit yung mata ko. Parang malaki lang yung mata ko tignan, guys. Pero sa totoo, maliit talaga siya. Promise. Tingnan nyo nga yung Baby Demi, oh. Okay na siya tignan. Parang vava-boom na siya tignan. Okay. I will fix my hair and then I'll film. I am done filming. Ang haba ng Q&A. Good luck sa pag-edit ko nito. Plano ko pa naman sana. I-edit ko siya today para hindi ko na iisipin during the weekend. Pero I don't think I can do that. Kasi I'm pretty sure Dan will be home anytime soon. And pupunta kami sa bahay ng mama niya for dinner. So, yes. Pero I finished the Q&A. Pagdating ni Dan, oh, I received a package nga pala, guys. There. I received it today. Mga clothes. Some of it doesn't fit me. Na naman. Time to pack! Na-ready na ni Dan yung bag. And yung mga damit din niya. Sabi ko sa kanya, ako nalang bahala. So, nilagay na lang niya lahat ng dito. Ang gagawin ko na lang is ipapack ko. Kasi I haven't decided kung ano yung isusuot ko pa. Or yung dadalhin ko. And we will bring this huge Toyota bag. Yan lang. Isa lang yung bag na dadalhin namin. Because we don't really need to, you know. Mas maganda sana kung maleta. Maleta na lang kayo. Asan ba yung maleta ko? Malapit na ako matapos mag-pack. Malapit na. Hindi ko alam kapag mga damit talaga na ano ako na yung aking utak. Happy birthday to Mika! Baby bear, happy birthday! Sabay sila ng kapatid ko na si Marwin. Happy birthday, Marwin. Tawiwin, tawiwin. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday! And sa lahat na may birthday today, happy birthday! Hindi ko nag-greet si Marlon. March 8 siya. Birthday niya. Hindi ko siya nag-greet because I wasn't vlogging then. Pero happy birthday dong. Happy birthday. Oh, good job, babe. You cleaned it.
So.
It's not super clean, but yeah, good boy. How's your smoothie?
Good.
What did you have for lunch as well, babe? What did you have for lunch?
A pie.
A pie. Not bad. You want to put this in there?
No, don't put that in there.
Okay.
We'll crack the plastic maybe. Then we'll put that in there.
Oh, really? Crack the plastic?
It might not end up being microwave safe.
Oh, maybe not. Oh well. Let's go, babe. I want to eat some bread.
I'm going to get it washed out, wash your lunch dishes.
I'll reverse your car, babe. Where's your key? Oh, here. Wait. Nakasunod sa amin yung mama ni Dan. Galing siya sa bahay ng niya, ng kapatid ni Dan. Sinundo niya yung mga bata at malapit lang yun sa bahay namin. And yeah, nagkasunod siya sa amin. Cute na mga bata. Nag-hi sila kanina. Yum! Oh gosh, babe. That looks good. Avocado. Yeah. Oh, shut it. It's not always on. Turn it off. Oh, come on. Poor me. Do you have somebody else there? They're here. Hi!
Hello.
I got your dress.
You what, sorry? Board? No.
Oh, cool.
Wouldn't think it would till you look at it. You put cheese into any of it.
How much?
About $7.
Oh, yeah.
I thought that really.
We like Kmart. We always go there.
Every day.
Every day. It's a routine.
3 times a week that Pete we go to Kmart. At least twice. Right, a day. Twice a week.
We never get them.
It's right next to Coles. So.
Now your Kmart's not very good.
It is good, yeah.
Ours is pretty good. Yeah. We actually went, we had live chat in Eagle Farm Shopping Centre, got Bamboo House, where the old Coles is, the other Coles. There's a little Asian restaurant there. It's Filipino. So we had,
Ooh.
that's a week.
Ooh. You don't like meatballs? It's really good. You want cheese?
No, you stay there.
Don't go crazy with the cheese. I know
Here you
you.
go, we've got to say a prayer before we eat.
I'm watching.
2, 4, 6, 8. Dig in, don't wait.
You want chili?
You want some cheese? Yeah. There
Yum. I can do this. So we can have salad every night. We are heading home. Dinner was really good as usual. We had meatballs. It was my first time actually vlog, babe. Oh my gosh, it's a big freaking ant. It just bit me. Careful, babe. If you have ants there, careful. Merong ants sa ano ng garden ng mama niya. Gas, 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 gas. Which one, babe? Premium. Good morning, guys! It is malapit na mag-4, quarter to 4 na in the morning. And umalis kami ng bahay mga quarter to 3. So we've been on the road for an hour. And meron kami nakitang patay na kangaroo kanina. Dito kami sa Shell. Check lang ni Dan yung sasakyan niya. Kasi hindi namin alam kung saan pa yung susunod na stopover. And yeah, galing Adelaide to Melbourne, 8 hours daw siya. Nandito kami sa On the Run. Ito na yung, this is the last town before Victoria.
I think so. Oh, what the last major one?
Okay. It's called Border Town. Meron kaming Red Bull. It's 3 for $8. I love the lighting here, babe. Looks really nice. And then I got a donut. So then bumili ng hotdog. It's cold. Ito yung hotdog. Hindi na, babe. Not now.
Hot food?
Dito kami sa sasakyan because it's so cold. Doon kami sa loob, it's cold. Tapos pumunta kami sa labas kasi meron sila mga table dito. And it's still cold. So sabi nila, dito na tayo sa sasakyan. We're still, siguro mga 5 hours away. It's fun. Dan is tired though. And he doesn't want me to drive, so. Oh. You know what? I forgot my makeup. Siguro meron akong lipstick sa bag ko. But that's it. Stupid girl. It's 6:52 in the morning. Listening to Spotify kasi walang signal yung radio na dito. I'm using the Karma na bigay ni Mayora Rose Lane. And inano ko lang yung camera ko. Parang pag ganun siya. So when I edit it, parang iano ko na lang siya. I-flip, i-rotate. Yun. We're in Victoria now, and we will be in Melbourne in 3.5 hours, I think. The last time I checked, 4 hours, or maybe not 3.5, maybe more. Yes. Hello, nandito na kami sa Ararat. Ararat town before Ballarat. So, nagdumaan lang kami sa McDo. Bumili ng coffee. Pupunta sana kami sa Target dito. May Target dito eh. And di ba naiwan ko yung mga makeup ko? Pupunta sana kami just to get me the essentials. Kaya lang parang kulang na kami sa time. Not naman kulang. But nagpa-reserve kasi kami ng parking. Guys, we are I think 1.5 hours away. No, 2 hours? 2 hours away from Melbourne. I will just Melbourne. You pronounce